So Congo stands for Congregational Singing, and singing in school is a really traditional thing to do, and it's something that at Seaford we think is really, really important. So for the last few years actually, what we've done is in houses, every few Monday mornings we've got together, sat in houses, and we sing together. We've added a competitive element which the students really, really love. And I love it. Obviously I'm a music teacher, so I'm passionate about these things. The students love it, and it's so great for their well-being. We always end a Congo on a high. Everyone has had a really good time. It's a great way to start the week.